Chrome extensions can supercharge your development workflow. Today, we're covering the top 5 Chrome extensions for developers in 2024 that make coding faster and easier. First, Session Buddy. If you work with multiple tabs, Session Buddy is essential. It lets you save and restore browser sessions, keeping your tabs organized and preventing data loss during crashes. It's perfect for managing complex workflows. 2. Web Developer. The Web Developer extension adds a toolbar full of useful tools right in your browser. You can inspect CSS, manipulate forms, and analyze images, ideal for quick testing and adjustments on live sites. 3. React Developer Tools. If you use React Developer Tools is a must-have. It lets you inspect your component hierarchy and analyze state and props, making debugging easier and more efficient for React apps. 4. Json Viewer. Json Viewer is perfect for working with APIs. It formats JSON data into readable structures and highlights syntax, making API data easier to analyze and debug. 5. ColorZilla. ColorZilla is a powerful color picker that lets you sample colors on any web page. It's perfect for designers and front-end devs who need precise colors. These tools can simplify and speed up your web development workflow.